Hello everyone. I literally just walked in the door. Like I'm literally still wearing my shoes, I'm wearing sunglasses, which wasn't that great because it just started raining. And as you read in the title, today we are doing a little, I don't know how I want to call it, after uni routine, after school routine, after school vlog. I don't know, but I'm just gonna film what I do after a long day at uni, because that was definitely what happened today. It is currently like 5 in the evening and I just got back from uni. I don't usually have super long days like that, but I've low-key been having them more and more. I think it might be because I'm in my last year. But anyways, I need to stop talking right now and get changed, because this is what happens when you live in a rainy city and you're short and you love wide baggy jeans. But the thing is, they're always too long, and so I end up stepping on them. And it's not like I do anything about it. Like, no, I'm not gonna go sew them and make them short. No, I keep them the same length because I love the look. So the issue is that this happens. You see that right there? That's my trouser being wet from the rain from stepping on them, and I even have a hole in them on this side. But this is the little fit check of the day, I guess. This was what I wore to uni. Baggy pants. Here I have my Air Forces. You can't even see them because my trousers are covering absolutely everything. My leather coat that I thrifted last year, I think. And then these sunnies that are actually so cool. They're from Weekday, but obviously didn't really suit the weather today. Underneath my jacket, we have another top that is thrifted, but I think it's originally from H&M, and it's really nice. It's a ribbed top, just like this, a little bit higher on the neck, and then in the back it's kind of open. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So first things first is that I am going to change into some comfortable trousers, and especially, you know, trousers that are just not wet. Much better. I'm in my little yoga pants, or I don't know what to call these. These are so comfortable, and I'm gonna take these off too because they are not needed. I would usually also put my slippers on, but I'm not gonna do it for the purpose of this video because when I wear them I drag my feet so much, and that's gonna be annoying to hear in the background. When I say routine, I don't really mean like that I have a routine as in I do the same thing every day after school. Like, definitely not. But I mean, there are some things that, you know, it's the usual, it's the frequent. And definitely one of the first things that I do is just sit and scroll on my phone, and because after a long day of uni, like, I need that, okay? Every day is a little bit similar in the sense that I get home from uni, and then from that time until, let's say, 7-ish, 6-ish, it depends, I kind of set that time to either just chill, or if I have something planned, like I want to edit, I'll do that in that time, or if I want to like read, I'll do that. And then at 6 or 7, whenever it is, I'll start cooking food together with Alice, my flatmate. So like there's certain time slots, I would say, that I know are like, okay, now I can do, if there's something that I wanted to do, like edit, then I'll do that. And today I went to school to try and print some stuff out, and I struggled a little bit because it just wasn't working my way. I'll insert the clips right now. Okay, I look very blue right now because the computer is very blue. I already tried printing, but it ended up printing my stuff in black and white, and I want it to be in color. So here I am on a school computer trying to see if it makes a difference if I print it from here. I have no idea if it actually will change anything, but I really want it to be in color. If I can't, then it'll be black and white, whatever. Okay, let's see. I don't know how to do this. These are the ones that I printed before, and it all just came out in black and white. And honestly, for this one it's fine. For this one I need color, but I want color for both, to be honest. So let's try and figure this out. Okay, I think I just uploaded it, so let's go find a printer and hope that this prints out in color. Well, I found a printer. All right, let's try this again. Okay, see, this is the issue. It says grayscale. I literally can't do anything about it. Okay, clearly that did not work. I now have the same photo twice. So I have 4 papers. They're black and white. I don't want to waste any paper, so we're gonna use it either way. So as you saw, I struggled and ended up printing these twice accidentally, but that's okay. I'm still gonna use them, and I'll do a little photo collage in black and white, and that's just how it's gonna be for now. And next time I do a photo collage, I'll do it in color, but I can have multiple of them, you know. I don't have to just have one. And I wanted to do on one of my journals that I have, so I think I'm gonna do that. Either should I do that now already? I don't know. Okay, let me show you my vision. This is my journal right now. It's a random notebook, literally still says the price on it. So I want to cut some of these up and then stick it like that. And maybe it's good that it's black and white, because then I won't get tired of like whatever colors are on it and stuff. So maybe I'll do that now, or should I edit now? I don't know. I don't know. But like the setup that I have right now, it looks so aesthetic. I need to show you guys. Isn't this so aesthetic? Like the black and white and rocky vibe. I love it so much. I actually need to take a picture of this. BRB. Oh, that's cute. That's so cute. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, that's me being aesthetic for 1 second. Guys, it's almost dark out. I ended up staying on my phone for a little bit longer than I thought. It is almost 6:30, so maybe let's see if Alice is up to maybe making some dinner. I'm kind of getting hungry. Banger mat. Okej, men vad vill vi äta? Girl dinner, girl dinner. After some thoughts and some sweets, we have decided on what we want to make. We're gonna make avocado pesto pasta. As Gen Z, we make our researches on TikTok, and it looked super easy because the guy, he was making pesto from scratch and then mixing avocado into it. We already have store-bought pesto right here, and then we have some avocados, so we're just gonna mix that up, maybe add garlic or something. Seen, we are currently watching Sex Education, and I just finished eating. I'm gonna do my little collage now, and Alice is currently sewing. She had like a little sewing project to do, so we're just gonna be like doing crafts, I guess, and that's so cute. The materials have been gathered. I just finished the first page, or like the front page, and I wanted to do the back page too, but I'm not gonna be able to do that today because this needs to dry. It turned out pretty cute. Now my back hurts and I'm tired, but it's cute, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. The one side, then the back side is still ugly, and then this, I don't really know what to do on the side. But I need to start getting ready for bed now because it is almost 9. It's not like to go to sleep, because I usually do like editing right before bed or stuff like that, and I need to do my skincare and clean up after myself because clearly I have made a little bit of a mess. Hello. We are currently in the bathroom and I'm about to do my little skincare slash night routine. I don't know if I've actually filmed a night routine before. I feel like I have, maybe when I was in Hong Kong. I'm not sure though. I'm just simply going to take my makeup off, get some moisturizing cream into my skin so that tomorrow I can just wake up looking good, you know? Maybe not. Also, my night routine is like so similar to my morning routine, but also not. Oh my god, what is happening? Stay there. Cotton pad and makeup remover. Also, I have started doing my makeup sometimes without mascara because I feel like it gives a more natural look. Obviously, now you can't really see because I'm currently removing my makeup. But during the day, I find that sometimes if you just do a little base makeup, a little blush, get your eyebrows in shape, but then skip mascara, you get more of a fresh look. Does anyone ever just have a phase where they think mascara just looks bad? Or is that just me? But yeah, I'm currently in one of those phases, so I like to skip my mascara. Okay, I am quickly going to put my hair up to get it out of my face. And I always just put it up with a random hair clip. It really doesn't matter what my hair looks like. I'm just trying to get it out of my face. And then I put this to once again get just everything out of my face. Cute. Okay, if you watched my get ready with me in French, I keep using this soap, and the thing is, like, I can't link it or even find anything similar because I have no idea what it is, but it's low-key been working on my skin. Like, I'm not wearing any makeup, and like, I mean, I feel like on camera it looks worse than what it actually is because these are not even spots. Like, these are just like a little bit of scars that I have left, but I don't have like any active spots, and I think it's because of this or because of the cream that I also use. I only use it at night. It's this, which I also got in Morocco, and it doesn't have any ingredients or anything, but I think it's been working because my skin is low-key clearing up, which is weird, but it's a good weird. Like, it's good. Okay, let's get some moisture onto our face. I use this cream from L'Oreal. Also, why do they only have creams that are like age perfect, anti-aging? I'm 20. I just want a night cream that just, I don't know, is moisturizing. Is that too much to ask? Okay, now I'm going in with the acne cream. Face is done, so I can take all of this out. I'm gonna brush my teeth and I'll get back to you when I'm done. I put you on my like big tripod, and I've never tried this before with this camera. It looks so funny, but I mean, it works great. Wow, this is when I realized that I really need glasses. I can't even see myself in this screen. This tripod, it's a vibe. I'm gonna get into PJs, get cozy, and then sit right there and edit. Today, I told myself, like, if I have any free time in school, I should edit, or, you know, I was thinking actually that between when I get back home from school and dinner, I would edit. Did I do that? No. So we're gonna do that now. Transition, changing into my PJs. Wasn't that so smooth? I feel like we're on TikTok all of a sudden. Also, this light is shining right in my face. Isn't this so cozy? Lately, when I've been editing my videos, I've been finding it so difficult to find good music for my videos. I usually just take music from a YouTube platform called YouTube Studio. Then I know that I get like copy-free, copyright, non-copyrighted music. I'm not really sure what it's called, but like, it's not always that good. So I don't really know where all these YouTube people be finding their sounds. Sometimes I'll also fill out this one's the 6-minute diary, and I've had the 5-minute journal for really long, and I actually finished like 2 of them. And then I got this one, which is a 6-minute diary, which is basically the same thing. This journal is basically you write in the morning here and in the evening here. So kind of like you start your day by writing down what you're grateful for and just positive affirmations and all that stuff. And then in the evening, you'll write about what you experienced, like good things you experienced that day. Sometimes there'll be how you can improve, all that stuff. And so I'll fill that out sometimes in the evening, or I'll just do it in the morning the next day. Kind of depends how tired I am. But yeah, I'm just gonna be sitting here for the rest of the night basically. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, please. That would make me happy. Comment down below if you would like to see like more uni content or just everyday life, maybe some more vlogs, or I don't know, what do you want to see from me? Let me know. But anyways, I will see you in my next video. Bye.